Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are diving into Suno AI to show you exactly how to use your own voice to generate custom tracks. Let's get right to it. Head over to the Suno AI website and log into your account. Navigate to the Create tab on the main dashboard. Look for the audio option, select it, and then click on Record Audio. This is your starting point. Record a quick sample of your voice directly through your microphone. For the best results, make sure you are in a quiet room so the AI has a clean vocal to work with. When you are happy with the recording, select the Extend option. This feature is what allows Suno AI to take your bass vocal and build a complete track around it. Click Continue. Now, fill in the necessary details for your song. You can guide the AI by specifying the genre, the mood, and the lyrics you want it to sing. The more specific you are with your text prompts, the better the final output will be. Finally, hit Create. Give the system a few moments to process your recording. Suno AI will synthesize your voice and generate a fully produced song based on your audio input. To get the absolute best results, try experimenting with different vocal tones when you record, and match them to different musical styles. That is all there is to it. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, professional tutorials. See you in the next one.